Happy Tuesday, pretty people. I want to come on here and say that I hope that you all are happy, healthy, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically, and financially. And if not, sending you an abundance of love, light, and healing energy and praying that you get there. We're all a work in progress, so. But I wanted to come on here and talk about why it's so important to process what you've gone through, meaning why it's so important to sit back and heal and do the work. Now, from my experience in my life and also during my time of being a crisis counselor, because I was a crisis counselor for a long time, which actually helped me on my healing journey, like helping people helped me, and a lot of the times hearing about their situations also helped me. But you have two situations that can occur if you don't sit back and heal and process what you've gone through and break it apart, right? You either become a hurt person who hurts people, or you still are vulnerable. You're still vulnerable. Like, there are predators out there that can sense that vulnerability, and you leave yourself open to being a victim, to still experiencing traumatic situations, whether it be from friends,